Hey, Mike Wolf here from Mike Wolf Mastery. Today coming to you from Berlin, Germany, and I'm at the wall that from 1961 to 1989 actually separated East and West Berlin. It's amazing to me that happened like it came down like 1980s, that recently. But anyway, today I want to answer a question I get asked a lot, and that's, should I own my own home or should I rent my principal residence? And a lot of people assume I'm going to say you should buy, because obviously I'm a real estate guy and I love real estate, but I'm actually going to tell you that in most cases I would actually teach you the opposite for a couple of reasons. One, when you work out the cost of ownership, when you look at the cost of buying the property, putting a mortgage on there, the mortgage fees to get started, repairs, property taxes, insurance, all that stuff. Even though we like to think, hey, I bought this X number of years ago for this price and I sold it for this much, there's a lot of bills that you pay in between to upkeep that property. And for most people, it would actually be cheaper to rent as opposed to purchase. And then on top of that, even more importantly, is the sooner you get your money working for you, meaning I don't want to pay for my principal residence, but I want to have my money working for me. I want to have revenue properties where I've got renters in there paying my mortgage for me, paying it down. That makes a lot more sense. And the sooner you can start to have your money work for you, the sooner you can stop trading your time for money, which is so important. And so a lot of times people take a big chunk of cash to use that to buy their principal residence, and it's stopping them from investing and creating that passive income and creating that freedom that they so desire. And so really, really important is maybe put off, do it in a different order than most people do. Instead of buying your home first, then investing, invest first, then eventually when you got lots of money and enough money coming in at the end of every month to support your lifestyle, or you can do whatever it is you enjoy, then buy whatever you want. Then money will be no object for you. Now I will make one exception to that. I sometimes meet people that are really extremely poor at saving money, and as soon as they have a dime in their bank, they've got to spend it. For those people, buy a home because it's a forced savings plan for you. Because if you rent, you're probably going to piss all your money away on depreciating assets. Don't do that. So for those people, but if at all you can save money and start to put away money for down payments to get your revenue properties, that's going to help you get the life of your dreams. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Mike Wolf. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, comment below, share it with any friends that you think might benefit from it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel where you get all my latest videos as they come out. Once again, I'm Mike Wolf. Thanks for tuning in.